Hello everyone, my name is California and today we're going to do a travel inspiration spread. So I've got a bunch of oracles here that I will use to try to hone in on a trip that maybe you need at this time, or at least need to be dreaming about, or could benefit by dreaming about. So I'm going to get some cards here and we'll see what comes up. Okay, so first we're going to start with the Gateway Oracle. Try to choose decks that have a little bit of a travel feel to them. Proceeding softly, my inner power grows in moments of quietude. Let's see if we can get another one. There it is. Okay. Coming into power, I step into my power boldly and confidently. We're being bold and confident and proceeding softly. Very interesting. Okay. Sacred Traveler. This may have been the first oracle deck that I purchased, and I still love it. I use it all the time, the Sacred Traveler. Okay, for this, well, view from above, get the big picture. And discovering truth. You stand in the light of truth. Which is interesting because here's someone who's also standing in light. Okay. And then we have the enchanted map. Whoops. Going on with this trip here. It's the energy of this trip that we are inspiring to take. Intention. That's a number 22. None of the other cards yet have numbers on them. Okay. Another energy supporting this trip. There it is. Protecting treasure. Whoops. There you go. That's a 39. Okay, let's get some more energy. So we're going to use the, this is the Secret Garden. Energy supporting this trip. Bloom and attract more than butterflies. I'm going to try to get two of each deck. Is there another one from the... Yeah. Present. Journey into the garden to escape the two eternities, the past and the future. Whispering Woods. Well, that was two. Transform. Emerge with beauty and grace from your cocoon. I feel like that goes along with the stepping into power boldly and standing in the light of truth, and then let go. Enjoy the pulsing light of the firefly, but don't hold on too tight. And then we've got the sea melodies. We want to make sure that we're covered land and sea with these cute little mermaids. What energy supports this trip? Okay. Protection. Keep some aquamarine close. Mermaid's tears have been known to create these precious gems. And last energy is patience. The tide will come in when it's ready. So on the one hand, I do think that there's air travel involved. Or there could be, like, you go somewhere and there's a helicopter ride or something like that that's part of the trip. It's interesting because I do see a mix of slowing down, but also, kind of stopping and smelling the roses kind of activities, but also activity. In this one, it says, proceed softly, my inner power grows, but they're having a tea party. So, it's like, it's somebody who's out and about, doing things, but taking the time, not just going from point A to point B to point C and along your itinerary. It's an itinerary that has time built in. It's done with intention. It's done so that you're in the present. You're able to let go of time constraints and take the time with this patience to just let the trip make the necessary changes that you may need, mental changes, just a change of scenery, taking stock, having time to sort of think through what you want your next moves in life to be, or just enjoying where you are and the people that you're with. This is a trip where you are being active, you are actively doing things. So I'm not really seeing, it could be a spa vacation if you've got a lot of activities planned, but I literally, I'm seeing that you are going out and doing a lot of different things, but it's at a pace that allows you to take this time. And it could be the duration of the trip is such that you have, it's very active, but you have enough time away so that you really do feel like you've been away and had time to wrap your mind around other things. Okay, I'm going to get some tarot for what energy will this trip, when you take this trip, what kinds of energies will it clear for you? What kind of energy will you be able to clear with all this activity and combined with patience and quality thought power? What kind of energy is this trip going to allow you to clear? And I'm going to use these tarot cards sort of oracle style, so that I'm not going to read them in reverse. I don't normally read oracles in reverse. What kind of energy is going to be cleared by taking this trip? What kind of energy can this trip clear? Ten of Wands. Yeah, just working too hard, working too long. This will be a nice opportunity to get away and just sort of recharge. What other energy will this trip help to clear? King of Wands. Normally, I don't think of the King of Wands as a boss, but like if you've got an overbearing boss or just someone, you know, maybe you've just had too many, or maybe you're the boss and there's just been so much on your plate with a lot of expectations. This is energy that you'll be able to sort of dispel a little bit and just kind of shake that off and prepare for the next project. Okay. And another king. We've got the King of Cups. It's weird because this is the, you know, he's a king. He's in charge of things, but I almost feel like he's been giving too much of himself. Trips can be very restorative, and that's what this is going to be. I do see this as an opportunity to, you know, the kind of person that I'm getting from this reading in general is somebody who is kind of a busy beaver anyway in their normal life. And so for them to go on vacation, it's hard for them to settle down. So this is somebody who likes to be active pretty much all the time. This trip, though, just in the fact that it actually does include proper downtime, again, whether that's, you know, doing activities that are necessarily slower, meaning the spa, massage, the golf game, you know, those things where you are playing more than you are, you know, you may be running around a lot, but once you get to the activity, it's an activity that gives you time to, you know, just chill a little bit and have fun. But it also could be where you can't sit still. And so just the idea that you would go on a vacation of a longer duration that would allow you to really actually unhook from what you left behind at home is what will make a difference to somebody who doesn't actually physically stop long enough normally. So, you know, somebody who's more used to doing short vacations and then comes back and feels like they didn't get a break. This is going to be the kind of trip that you should go on, is one that gives you, you know, those few extra days so that you really do unhook, enjoy where you are, and go on, no matter, even if you're doing a lot of different activities. And it's going to help clear sort of this burden of giving too much of yourself too long for, you know, kind of taking the weight of the world off of you. And at least, you know, if you are this kind of person who thrives on activity, the activity is going to be of such a different nature than what you're used to that it actually will help you, which is really great. Okay, I have my own little deck here that I'm going to, it doesn't, well, what I'm getting at is that I've got to sort of hand pick these because of the cards are a little sticky. So I'm going to choose 6 cards, and they're going to be just maybe some trip details. So let's just see what happens. Let's see what comes up. Okay. Card number 1. Vacation. Thank you very much. Card number 2. Country. Okay. That's that. It's like a rural country, meaning rural, not necessarily leaving the country. Relaxation. business class. Maybe you're, again, somebody who thrives on things, has achieved a certain level of success with this king here, and you're able to indulge. This is the time to do it. Safari. So again, this is the kind of trip where you're out and about, you're doing things, but it's the kind of out and about doing things that sort of transforms your normal thought patterns. And it could be, an exotic trip. X-ray. So I think we had, let me look. Let's see. I thought we had one that was like, I guess I'm thinking about this intention and getting the big picture, but basically being able to look at things in a different way, look beyond the normal situations that you deal with. Okay. And then lastly, so I got this great deck that I found at the bookstore. It's called Detours. And so it's these little activities and things. Let's see, it's not even gonna let me shuffle very well. Let me see. Gotta give myself room here. But we're gonna get 3 of these, and it's just gonna give us some food for thought that might be interesting things to do once we're on our trip. All right, this has turned into a darn mess is what this has turned into. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the deck to get the 3. So this is card number 1. I'll read it in a second. This is card number 2. And this is card number 3. Okay, let's see what our guidance is. All right, so there's nothing on this side. It says explore. Explore an area of town or a local event, farmer's market, flea market, electronics swap meet, morning flower market, fabric and trim district, construction supply row, ... So it's definitely encouraging you. It's kind of supplementing this, where it looks like they're out exploring. They've got their backpacks. They're out doing things. So again, this is a go. This is not a stay in your hotel room and let them come to you kind of vacation. It's the nature of this trip for somebody who's very energetic and is used to not sort of slowing down. This is going to be relaxing in its own way. Keep an open mind. If you stumble upon a historic site, refrain from reading about it for the first few minutes. Then learn all you can. Compare before and after. Okay, and last one is digital detox. Embrace JOMO. Check out of social media. Put your phone on airplane mode and let go of being in the know. Bask in the joy of missing out. Sounds like a good trip for somebody who doesn't relax very often. I hope you got some inspiration out of this, and if you do travel, I hope you have a great trip. Bye.